Welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have something quick, easy, awesome air fryer goodness. Babe thought this up. Chili cheese dog, egg rolls in the air fryer.
This is gonna be intense.
This is gonna be intense. Are you guys ready to
dig in?
To go nuts? Here we go!
These are the things you need for air fryer chili cheese dogs. You need an air fryer. You can find the link below and you can get one. Same one we have. You need egg roll wrappers. These are in the refrigerated section. We found this out the hard way, okay? So go to the refrigerated section to get these things. Cheese, which we know that we do it ourselves, cheese grater. We did Nathan's hot dogs, all beef. Ooh, all beef, ew, nasty.
It's not nasty, babe.
And Hormel chili.
Fun fact, Google it if you don't believe me. Cheese grater, cheese. When you buy the pre-packaged, pre-shredded up cheese, in order for it not to clump together, like look at how clumpy this is, in order for it not to do that, they put cellulose on it, which is basically wood pulp, basically like sawdust, kind of. So, no. Buy yourself a block of cheese, grate your cheese. It's far superior. Next item. We're not sponsored or anything, but I grew up on this chili. This, in my opinion, is the greatest canned chili on the market. It is fantastic. And of course, team no beans. What else are we gonna talk about, babe? Egg roll wrappers. They're perishable. Don't use spring roll wrappers for this.
We tried that.
Yeah, we've experimented with this recipe. Use egg roll wrappers. Far superior again. This is gonna be chili cheese dog goodness. You can even put some onions, chives, whatever you want in there. We're just keeping it simple, old school today. All right, back to Babe.
We're gonna start by laying the cheese on the bottom here. And then we're gonna lay our dog. And then we're gonna lay some chili. Ooh.
Not ooh, babe. Ooh, yes. This is going to be awesome.
Canned chili is just a...
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I mean, we're going basic. You could add onions. I like onions, Josh doesn't, so that's why we're not doing onions. And we're gonna wrap it, okay? Like a burrito. Take a little oil. I'm using avocado oil so that it fries up nicely. We're gonna go 400. And we're gonna try 8 minutes to start. Now it may be longer. We whisk it over, and I'm gonna set it at 400 again for another 3 minutes, just so we can get the other side extra crispy, and then we'll be done. It'll be perfect.
And so what's the total cook time?
So total cook time is 11 minutes.
At 400?
At 400, yeah, but you just wanna get it crispy on both sides, so I flipped it over.
Is it crispy, babe?
Yes. Ooh. Oh
yeah. Yeah, let's see what the inside looks like. That's an egg roll, folks.
A chili cheese egg roll. Let's test.
I'm ready.
Oh, you're gonna burn your face off.
It's so hot.
Is it good?
Oh no.
Yeah? What do you think? Egg rolls or hot dog buns?
Egg rolls.
Nice.
Oh, I like how the egg roll skin is really like crunchy.
Yeah.
Without even deep frying it.
Yeah.
And then it's an awesome chili dog inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Ooh, I like hearing that crunch. That's good, babe.
All right, you guys, make these chili cheese dog egg rolls, air fryer. Thank you all for watching. We'll be back shortly with another video. See you guys. Yeah, babe, let's make some more.
Yeah, because they're so tasty.
Yeah.